Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, this is the particular range of silver which is from second week of May 2022. Okay, and now currently trading at around $22.443. If you look at this particular chart, the high made at this particular point is around $23.493. Okay, so if you look at this particular chart, why we have seen a swing has formed at this particular level, and now it is after going to a level of 23.496, it came down and trading at around $22.458. Okay, why is it so? Because you can see that this is the particular resistance which was a strong resistance. So from there, that is where we have seen a swing has formed. It is on the downside. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see, a U pattern is forming. Okay, and so suppose if the price, if you look at this particular price, we can see a downfall has come. So probability is there that this is forming a U pattern, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, because it has already went down, and if it goes above this particular level, then we can see it can move further upside. If it goes and sustain above a level of $23, then chances will be high that we can see it can subsequently go further upside. Okay, and a probability of going further high towards a level of 23.99 to a level of around 24.147 and then further upside. It's around 8 or 9 months you can see that this level has not come, so probability will be very high. We can see it can move further upside. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, which is on a higher chances, because you can see a swing is trying to form at this particular level, but this is the support which is already a weak support, so chances of moving further down will be there if the price goes below this particular level. So suppose if it form a swing at this particular level and if it sustain, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of $22.578 is there. Okay, and if that level sustain, then a probability of going towards a level of around $22.873. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $23.275, and if that level sustain, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of around $23.587. Okay, and now suppose if the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $23.991, and from there we can see it can go and cross a level of $24. Okay, and once the price goes above $24, then further upside we can see, because these levels are already being a weak resistance and chances will be very high that it can move further high. Okay, as you can see that these are the levels, because this is the zone where the price of silver was moving for a quite some time, so probability will be high that we can see it can move further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, okay, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain this particular, we already told you that is a weak support, so chances are very high that suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $22.100. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $21.536. Okay, and suppose if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching a level of 21.336 is there. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $22.156, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $22. And if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $21.536, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $21.251. Suppose if the price goes below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.912, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $20.516. Okay, and suppose if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $20.063, and then further low if the price didn't sustain this level, because these are the zone which is already being tested here and a weak supports, so chances are very high that we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.